Hello guys, welcome once again. Welcome to Despite Creative Academy. This is said Despite, and in this particular video, you're going to start first with our advertisement flyer. Alright, I'll use this opportunity to welcome you all to this novel institution. Alright, so whatever you're going to do, please pay attention, and also if you have questions, ask. Alright, don't be shy, ask questions, and also participate. Put in much effort in this whole training, and at the end of the training, it's going to be you're going to have a testimony. Alright, so please, I urge you all to be patient. Don't be eager to leave the group. You might lose this great free opportunity and might pay later. All right, so please pay attention, and also you will never regret it. So that's just by the way. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can go about creating this advertisement flyer. All right, so hello, are you starting a business? Do you need a graphic designer? Beautiful designs attract more clients. All right, then you provide your brand name and then your number. So this is what we're going to use to catch up clients online. Okay, this is what we're going to use to get a lot of clients online. So how are we going to create this design? I'm going to teach you that in this particular video, provided you pay attention. So that is, having said that, you're going to use our Pixellab application. Okay, so this is for the Android users. You're going to use Pixellab application. I believe everyone has downloaded that app. So what you do is, we have 4 different parts. In this video, I'm not going to explain all though, but the necessary ones is what I'm going to explain to you. So the first one has to do with your project. So designs that you've done previously is going to be here, which can also be re-edited. Okay, so these are just default backgrounds. Okay, so the second one is text. That is, if you want to add text to the design, this is where you get it. Okay, all right, so this has to do with text. And then here we have images. So that is, if you want to import an image that is a resource to the design, this is where you get it. And we have shapes too. All right, that is what I want you to know for this particular part. Then the fourth one has to do with backgrounds. Okay, if you want to change the background color, you can do that. Okay, this is where you change your background. You get it? All right, so we also have let's take one. You have a different background that you want to use, which we are going to also use in this particular tutorial. Okay, so you go to where we have the fourth one, then you go to from gallery. So you tap from gallery, then you select the background that you want to use for your design. Okay, so this is the background that we are going to use. Okay, this is the background we are going to use. So you pay attention. Okay, this is the background that we are going to use in this particular video to create our advertisement flyer. So you tap on the tick mark, okay, to agree that that's what you are going to use. So when you are done, we'll have to start by adding our informations on the design. Okay, that is on the background that we selected. So what we're going to do first is go to the third part, then you select a shape, and we are going to select a triangular shape. So you see this arrow here, you tap there, so you select your triangle. So we are going to use a particular color for it. So for now, so let me select something here, and then you enlarge it. Okay, this is what we're going to use. Okay, so I think this is okay. So what I'm going to do now is select the image. Okay, so you tap at import. So you are still at the third part, you tap on import. All right, so after tapping on import, then you select the design you want to use. So this is the image right here. This is the image. So this is what I'm going to use. So you scroll to where we have 3D rotate. Okay, so you select 3D rotate, then the second one, which is the y-axis, you send it to the last end. Hope you get it. Then you tap on the tick mark. Then you come and now position it here. Okay, so you position it here. So you tap on this layer here, you tap on the 2 layer here, then you lock these 2. Okay, so that it's not going to affect your design that you are coming to do else. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to the plus sign, the A here, then you tap on the plus sign, which is the text. Now you go to edit. Okay, you tap on edit, then you tap on the delete icon there at the top there to clear everything. So our first word is gonna be hello. Hope you seen it. So what we're gonna do is extend it small. Okay, so we are gonna use this small ball here. That is what we use to extend it. Okay, then you scroll to relative position. Hope you can say it right here. Then you tap on the second one here, so that we have everything in the center. So if I tell you to position it well, I'm talking about your relative position. Okay, so I'm going to add some boldness to it. So I'll scroll to where I have the B, the style, then I tap at bold. Hope you can see the difference here. Hope you can see. All right, so I'm going to change the color. Let me see if I can pick a color from here, from the cloth. Okay, good. All right, so this is it. So what else am I going to do? I need to bring in my information. Are you starting a business? So you go to the third part, then you go to shape. So in this case, we are going to use the square shape. Okay, we are going to use the square shape. So you minimize it a little bit. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, position it here. Good. So I'm going to change the color. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is add the text. You know how to bring in text already. I showed you guys previously. So you tap on, are you starting a business? So it's a question, so you add your question mark. Okay, so we are going to minimize it and then position it here. Make sure it doesn't go behind or beyond the text. It should be well positioned, and then the color, you make it white. Okay, good. Are you starting a business? Then you add another text. Do you need air? Then you bring it here. So all of them, you'll be checking the alignment. Okay, so that everything will be well positioned. Okay, then you go to color, change the color to red. You go to text again. So we are going to start first with the graphic. Okay, so we are starting first with the graphic. Then I'm going to change the font. So you scroll to font AB. So let me select a font over there for the graphic design. Okay, so I'm going to use the MEME font, the meme font, meme font. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to extend it a little bit. So do you need a graphic? Change the font as well, don't forget. So the color too, I'm going to change that. So graphic, so I'll just tap on it. Then you see where we have copy, I'll tap there, meaning I've duplicated it. Okay, so I'm going to clear everything and then write designer. It's a question, so I add a question mark. Then I tap at this place, these two small T and then the big T, I tap there. Okay, to get my caps. So I'm going to minimize it a little bit. Okay, so you see our writings, our text is on the image, so we have to minimize it. We don't want it to be on the image. Okay, so minimize it. So I think this is okay. Okay, so this is okay. So let me lock it. Okay, so do you need a graphic designer? So what else do we have to do? So we'll have to add another information. Okay, we'll have to add another information. So let's just bring this down here a little bit. Nice one. So do you need a graphic designer? Then the hello can also be here. Okay, so do you need a graphic designer? Then you add another text. What do designs do, or what do beautiful designs do for companies or brand? So beautiful designs attract more clients or more customers. Okay, you get it? So that is what we're going to add here as well. So we change the font, don't forget. The font is okay, so the color, so you change the color. So now we are going to add our details so that the person can be able to contact us as soon as the person sees our advertisement flyer. Okay, so that is my number there. So I'm going to position it here, change the color, then I'm going to bold it. Okay, good. Then don't forget, you can copy. So you have the same thing here. Then you tap on the edit. Where is edit? This is edit here. You clear everything. Then you will now write your handle or your brand name. Okay, so this is my brand name. So I'll position it here. So let me now add icon. Okay, let me now add my icon to it. So you go to the third icon, you go to import. So I'm going to select it from my gallery. Okay, I'm going to select it from my gallery. Okay, so let me select the call icon here, okay, then my Instagram icon as well. Hope I'm making sense, guys. All right, so I'm going to select the Instagram first, or I can use the Instagram and Facebook. Then I scroll to, you can see we have background here, so I'll scroll to where we have erase color. I'll tap on it and then enable it. Hope you've seen it. So now I'm now coming to change the color of the icon. Good. So now I'm going to minimize it and position it here. Guys, hope you've seen it. So now I'm left with the call or WhatsApp icon. So which one should I use? Okay, this is okay. This is okay. So I'll scroll to, it has a background as well. So I'll scroll to erase color, then change the color from black to this color. Then I'll minimize it and bring it here. So now you can also minimize it by using the relative size. Okay, then you choose the size that is going to best suit you. Then you go to position, then you position it well. If your work is well positioned, it looks attractive. All right. Simple, fair. So guys, this is how we go about. We are left with one thing. We haven't changed the color of the shape. Good. Good, guys, we are done with our design. So this is how you go about creating this beautiful design with your smartphone. So the Android users finish it up and submit it for review and for rating. Thank you very much. This is Despite. If this video has been cool and understandable to you, please hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, like this video and comment it. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next video.